morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, and you know what that means.
Crafty Kids!
So today, we have a really fun craft that we're going to be making. We are going to be making paper umbrellas in honor of Umbrella Day, which is National Umbrella Day, which is coming up on Wednesday of this next week. How exciting is that? I know, so crazy. So what you'll need for this craft is some construction paper, some scissors. You'll need a pipe cleaner or two, however many umbrellas you want to make. You'll need one for each. I'm going to use double-sided tape today. You can also use regular tape and kind of fold it up so that it sticks on both sides. You can also use glue. Whatever you have that makes two pieces of paper stick together will be just fine. You can also use white paper and you can color. I have crayons that I used today, and that was a lot of fun. And my colorful one turned out a little bit like this. Yes. So anyway, we can get started on this pretty simple craft. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your piece of paper and you're gonna wanna cut a circle out of it. So if it would help you to draw the circle first, go ahead and do that. My circles aren't exactly perfect, so I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out some circles. So, and you wanna use as much of the paper as possible, so it's a nice big circle. Okay, so we have our circle. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to take your scissors again and cut a line about halfway through the circle. Be the radius of the circle, for those of you who know what a radius is. And so it's gonna look a little bit something like that. And what that's gonna allow you to do is take the two edges, overlap them like this. We're just pulling them together, and there you have the top part of your umbrella. It's as easy as that. So if you're gonna color it, I would also suggest making a little line where you know that you're gonna fold the paper over to, because sometimes crayon doesn't help tape and glue stick to things. So you'd wanna make sure that you're putting anything that you're using to stick the surfaces together onto just the paper itself. So what that would mean is when we put this over here, you could draw a line right down here, and then you would color from here over to here. Yeah, so nice and simple. So once you have it all colored and everything, that's when we're gonna go ahead and put our sides together. So you'll see what I did here is I just added two pieces of my double-sided tape. You would also put your glue here. You could do, if you have a piece of tape, you can fold it into a little circle like this. And then that is actually going to act as double-sided tape as well. So you can do that if you don't have the double-sided tape. And then all you do is like I showed you a little bit ago, take that, put it around the side like so, and tape it together. And then the next thing you do is you take your pipe cleaner, and you see there's a little tiny hole right at the top where you had brought your pieces of paper together. So you will be able to put your pipe cleaner right through there. And what I do is leave about 2/3 of it below and 1/3 of it above, and then we just curl up the bottom like this, so it makes a little umbrella. And then with the top, just to make sure that it stays in place, all I'm gonna do is roll this right down. So it makes a little circle on top. And there you go, there is your umbrella. We have everybody staying out of the rain. We have this one too. So many umbrellas. We're definitely going to stay dry in the sprinkles. So that is all we have for today. Very simple craft. Hope you enjoyed it, and definitely send us some pictures of your umbrellas if you make them. We would absolutely love to see them. Love to see them. And let's see here. So next week, oh my goodness, next week we're gonna have Crafty Kids right before a holiday. Does anybody know what that holiday is? It's Valentine's Day! Yay! So, just in time for Valentine's Day, we're going to show you how to make some paper heart hand cards. Yes, some Valentines to give to somebody that you care about. So, all you'll need for that craft is some construction paper, clear tape or sticky paper, scissors, and tissue paper. And that's all you need. So, we will see you next week. Thank you so much for being here with us. And everybody have a great day. Stay crafty.
If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And like and share on Facebook.
Help us share our crafts with as many kids as we can.
Thanks,
everybody.
everybody.